Hello guys, this is Amandeep Singh, and in this video, this second video for HTML. The first video was basics using paragraph tag and the header. This video is also pretty basic, but we will use more tags such as how to bold certain letter, how to make something italic, a different font, and quoting a line or a word, how to do it, and also how to separate different columns with a line. So let's get to it. I also created a new folder uh, just to make everything nice and easy. So all my videos I try to keep everything in this test folder. New file, make it name it pract.html. Whatever you want to name it. So okay, so I'll go over this for a little bit. So basically the doc type HTML is what the browser sees. You know, the browser will see this information. Language is an attribute, lang. En is the value, which stands for English. We could put es, which stands for Espanol, which is Spanish, but we'll keep everything in English. And yeah, Pract, this is the title, which we will see in the search engine. You should see it on the top left side, where it says rating. You see Pract here on the top, and also here. Alright, so I was on Stack Overflow looking at someone's question, so I'm going to use that as an example. And we will just rate the example and execute our demonstration there. Alright, so this is what the person wrote. So I'll put in the p tag, which is the paragraph tag. So here we go. Make sure you say your word and then execute it. So we got this. I'm fairly new to Android, blah blah blah, all the way to information. There we go. So let's say the person's saying I'm fairly new to Android, and the person wants this to be shown, you know, easily to the person. So all we have to do is type in, actually let's just cut this out and use something called strong, which will make the words bold. Alright, so put an Android in between and run it. So as you can see, Android is bolded, stands out. And you could have done this for the whole line. Bolds over there, but let's just keep it up to Android. So this is a common tag. So in this video I'm just going to show you common tags. In the next video I'll go a little bit more in depth and talk about video images and all that stuff, but let's just keep common simple tags as an example, so you guys can practice and be more comfortable with it. So the next one I want to say, hey, let's make this thing stand out, you know, italic. Let's keep the italic as a different font. So I put I right next to it, I tag, and let's put that here. The font changes, so here we go. Okay, the next person says, hey, you know what, everything's looking good, I want this, this is a quote, this is not a paragraph, I want this to be separate. So all you have to do is come over here on the top, or on the bottom, I'll just keep it on the top. Use something called block quote. So I'm going to use this. So here we go, we got the quotations on the top. but there's a mistake. Let's just add some quotations. Okay, now the person says, hey, yeah, it's looking good, but I want something to separate the quotes and the paragraph, like a line in between. So you can use a tag called HR, not human resource, but something else, which will just separate our quote and paragraph. Yeah, so this was very simple. Block quote separates it and gives you a little quotations. Not quotations. This is a block quote. This is a quote mark tag, and also the line is by HR. This line is by this P. Tag is this. Everything in between. The Android is highlighted because of that. Strong, and everything is italic because in a different format because of the format we used for the tags. Yeah. So here we go. We got this. Yeah, guys. In the next video, I'll talk about a little bit more on the tags. We will go into div tags, a little bit more complex tags, and how to have video images in your website. Yeah, this is still HTML. We haven't touched that much of CSS, so very basics. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'm here.